Amazon has announced a new health tracker that competes with Google's FitBit and Apple Watch. It's called Halo View. Previous Amazon fitness trackers didn't have a display, but this model comes with a color screen. The bands can be changed out and customized. The device comes with a free 1-year Amazon Halo subscription, which now includes fitness classes delivered through video. The device shows fitness stats and classes on the screen, has 7 days of battery life, is a swim-proof device, and comes with a variety of color and material options. It's $80 with a full year of membership included. The Halo subscription will also include a nutrition trainer that combines grocery lists and healthy meal planning suggestions, which will become available to the public next year.